This is Norman from Guy Techie, and look what I got in the mail today. It is the SiliconDust HDHomeRun TV tuner. It tunes in HD television over the air or cable. It's got CLAM. It doesn't have a cable card, so it doesn't tune any encrypted channels or anything like that. But they are going to make one soon. What makes this one special compared to other TV tuners is that this is what they call a network television tuner. It's a TV tuner. It's an external box, as you see, and it connects to the network. And because it does that, you can share it with more than one computer. So like if your main HTPC isn't using it, you can actually use it on your laptop and watch television on there. So that's kind of cool. I actually had to put down the camera for a bit to slide this out. Took a little bit of effort. Oh look, more tape. It looks like the CD is taped up there, and it looks like it's been pre-cut, so you can just slide it out. That's an interesting way of putting your CD in here. You got your quick guide. Wow, it's only one page. Doesn't look very complicated. Here's the tuner itself. It's actually a lot smaller than I expected. I thought it'd be bigger. Must be the power supply. Yep. Sure looks like it. What else is in here? This is the network cable, a coaxial cable, and another coaxial cable. RG6. Here it is in the flesh, all hooked up. Two cables going into a little distributor box that's actually going to the antenna. One goes to my network switch, and this is my media center right here, along with my AV receiver. I just downloaded the program from SiliconDust's website. Yes, I included the CD, but I figured that it is the most recent version of the website more than on the CD. And then you can just install it. I just downloaded it here. And of course, I'm going to click on yes. And you just install it like any other software. I'll use the default path. And it detects the tuners, it looks like. You go to the tuners tab. You get a message that says you should choose the type. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to choose, it's actually a digital antenna for both. Antenna. Hit scan. I notice that while it's scanning, you can see that the light is blinking. Alright, it's done for the first tuner. And as you can see, it looks like it's got basically all the channels, and it looks like it's fine. I actually have an internal card on my HTPC that has a dual card already, so having that device right there is actually making a total of 4 tuners. Okay, it looks like it's done, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on finish. Open up my media center. And let's go to settings, television. TV signal. Set up TV signal. That's right. I do agree. This is going to take a while, so I'm just going to skip ahead. Well, it looks like it skipped ahead. Examining TV signals. I've noticed when it's doing that, both of the tuners are going, and I'm sure the internal ones are also going too. Again, like I said, I got a dual digital tuner already inside of the machine. It's a PCI Express card. There's a Hauppauge WinTV HVR 2250. I believe that is a dual tuner card that only does ASTC and QAM as well, just like this home run. Again, the only difference is because they're internal, you can't share it. Excellent. Looks like it detected 4 tuner cards, as it should. Like I said, 2 in the outside, 2 on the inside. If you only have the HD home run tuner that I got, you should only see 2. But it looks like it finds it, and it actually detected it. Yes, it's the digital antenna, over the air television. And I just have to hit next to confirm. And it's done. I just hit digital TV antenna signal strength. As I said, we have a Hauppauge as well as these 2 new ones. Let's see how the new ones do in terms of signal strength. Anyway, one thing that I did notice though is that the internal tuners, it's actually quicker. And it receives slightly better signal strength. Check it out. Notice it's scanning way faster than the HD one, and I guess that will affect how fast changing the channels would be. I guess it's not a huge deal. And hey, check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and start the show. I just realized it's a good way to show you. There's it is, showing the tuner is on. I'm gonna lower the volume. I'm actually gonna hit record, so it's gonna stay on this station. Check it out. There it is, it's recording. I'm going to change the station. Bam! The second tuner is being in use. I'm on a different station. I'm going to go ahead and hit record on that. It's recording. And I'm going to change the channel one more time. And now, it's using my other card, my internal one. So I'm going to hit record, and I'm going to change station to another station, let's say channel 9.1, which is a completely different frequency. I'm going to hit record on that. Again, you know, the other 2 tuners are being used, not all 4 tuners are in use. Now all of them are in use, so you can see where it says all TV tuners are currently in use. To change the channel, select the program or recording you want to stop. So it is working. All 4 shows are actually being recorded right now. So I'm actually going to stop all of them. But yeah, it's working. It's great. I'm going to install it on my laptop and see if it will be able to detect it and use it from there. Cool, huh? Well, here I am. Actually, I'm on my desktop computer in my room that doesn't even have a television tuner. I'm going to actually go ahead and download it and install it from here. And let's see what happens. It's actually a pretty small program. It's not too bad. I like installing things on my D drive because I have a SSD drive as my C drive on my desktop. It's actually a my gaming PC. So again, applications, media center, that's fine. Preview tuners. You know, again, it needs a search. We're gonna set it to digital antenna, and we're gonna scan like we just did. Wow, it actually detected it off the network. Now, keep in mind, I don't even know what IP address it uses. I wonder if this thing actually has a web configuration interface. I'll have to check that out. I've got to find the IP of it though. Looks like it's done, so I'm going to go ahead and start this up. Okay. As you can see, I've never used Media Center on this machine before, so let's just do an express setup. Live TV setup. Now keep in mind, I don't have any TV tuners installed on this machine. It's just the software for the HDHomeRun, which is also installed on my network. So yes, I want to use that. That is correct. I agree. Yes, I agree. Looks like I'm gonna have to install this play ready thing, which sucks. It's basically DRM. And of course, as you can see, it's gonna go through the same steps as we did on the in the living room. So I'll go ahead and pause and go through the setup so you guys don't have to. For some weird reason, it actually seemed it was a lot longer for it to detect. But, you know, there it is. Finally, when it does, it sees 2 tuners. That's because, that's it's the only 2 tuners I have on the network. Again, like I said, on this machine, there are no internal tuners. I never installed any. So yes, those are correct. Yes, that is correct. I'm gonna hit next. Finish, it's done. So let's check out the digital signal strength. I'll just use one of them. These are the 2 that it detected. Check it out. Actually seems like it takes even longer to scan here. I don't know if the distance have anything to do with it, but again, I think the only thing that would make it noticeably slow is just changing the channels. Ooh, let's hope that's not really the case. That is slow. Well, let's see how it actually looks when you're actually in the media center and actually using it, shall we? Alright, and moment of truth. Let's click on the guide. And it looks like it got all of the programming guide, which is kind of cool. Let's tune into something.
Health officials recommend vaccination.
Actually, that wasn't too bad. That was pretty quick.
Chicago's 7-day forecast.
Change the station. Actually, changing channels isn't bad. It's still pretty good. Scanning may have taken a while, but it looks like actual switching of channels is pretty quick. So there you go. I'm actually not in the living room. I'm actually at my desk. It's a mess, so I'm not going to show you all of my table, but just want to pan down to show you that I'm not actually in the living room. So this is pretty cool. I like it. I'm hoping that I'll put it on my laptop so we can actually watch some television on there whenever my brother decides to use the front room TV. So that is cool.